Woo. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's hold. The line's hella long. Oh, no. No. Waiting for the train. So what up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. We actually just landed in Georgia. I didn't vlog actually when we were in San Francisco because it was super early in the morning. Super bad, but gotta go board. It's official. We actually landed in Miami right now. Dude, you want to see how boosted this camera is? Oh, shit's green, son. Yeah, but we officially landed in Miami. We actually do not know what to do. We're waiting for one of John's homies, and then after that, we're gonna go figure out what to do for tonight. We actually don't even know how to get a ride. Guess you're gonna have to start selling ass, bro. Just bitches on X-Pill. I want a couple million without a record deal. Got 20 we're beautiful. So we actually rented a U-Haul trying to clean out this whole space right here. It's gonna take us quite a long time, probably take us a minute. We're trying to clean as much of it as we can so we can finally utilize this space so we can work on our cars. Hopefully this gets done by today. I mean, it's just us two. It's about to be horrible. Everybody else is just chilling at home, lazy. They don't want to do this stuff. But a bunch of pieces came in for the Genesis. So I definitely want to utilize this space and, you try to do as much as we can today. So we don't have to, we'll only make one trip to the dump and we'll be good to go. Catch you guys in a bit. God damn. When you don't gotta pay Mexicans to move your stuff. Just kidding. Just playing. But we've been at this for probably 5-10 minutes. Almost done. Then we're finally gonna start adding some cabinets or stuff like that. That's why we have that piece right there. Start adding some, toolboxes, tool chests and everything. Eventually utilize this whole space. There is a bunch of cracks, so if anybody knows how to fill those, crack kills. But definitely crack kills. But if anybody knows how to fill those, if you want to, comment down below so we can try to help us out. If not, we're just gonna go get this rubber flooring thing and just put it all over, and hopefully it levels out the space. But this is our garage for now, and we'll see how it goes. God damn. Try hitting the TV. Yeah, hold up. Hit that TV, go. Javelin! What the f***? Not like that. Yee! I'm fucking right here. That shit was sick. Right now, we're in the new garage. Yeah, I'll let you guys check it out. What you guys think? What do you guys think? It's still gonna be a little cleaned up. Got most of it. You got the Jenny, you got the Golf R that we're working on today. Ooh, food's here. Yo, John, what are we doing today?
That's top secret. I can't tell you that.
Now we're working on the Golf R. As you can see, we're gonna change a bunch of stuff today. What are we doing?
All right, we're gonna do an oil change. We're gonna do a Heldex oil change, and that's about it.
Yeah, so pretty much we do a lot of stuff. Hey, DoorDash. What? Thanks. All right, let's get this car lifted. Ooh, this is the first hood popping of the Golf R. Yeah, we need to get some more lights in here. It's pretty dark. Hey, look at that shit. Woo! Yo, check out the engine. As you can see back here, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's on that right there. That's the turbo. Yeah, it's kind of dark. Yo, flash some light on it. Boom, there's the turbo. As you can see it, it's right there. Super clean, bro, super clean. Doing under your car?
As of right now, we're changing the oil for the Heldex system. We're already open up. You always want to open up your fill port first, because if you can't open up your fill port and you drain it, pretty much. Oh.
Yep. At home.
Oh, okay. There it is.
It's coming out right.
Shit. So, look at there it is. It's going.
You see how clear that is? You guys see that? I don't know if you guys can see that. It shit's clear as water, dog.
I know, but
boy, that thing is clean. This dope cat. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Hey, I'm sorry I have gloves. I know. Don't scratch me. Don't scratch me. No, I'm sorry I have gloves. Paw. Yeah. All right. When you don't have a funnel, gotta make it work.
yeah, makes your funnel.
Let's get it.
You do is just hold it.
All right, this is what are we putting into this?
This is the Heldex diff oil right here.
All right.
No,
hold it. Hold it, and I'll pump.
no, it's okay. You can start pumping if you want.
Is it in?
Is it in?
Yeah, it's in. It's filling up.
All right, go ahead, pump it. It's kind of dark to see right now, but
Is it going in?
Yeah. He's going.
it's pumping.
Hey, could you give me a little towel, Dither?
Yeah.
All right, it's going. You're good. You're good. You're good.
You're good.
And stop. All right, so this process, we're putting finally the Heltec fluid
All right, stop.
into the diff. What we're trying to do is actually we're trying to clear out all the diff. I guess supposed for Volkswagens, VWs, it's a common issue where you always have to change the fluid every 30,000 miles. He's currently gonna start his car right now, so it could get the the fluids going in, the diff fluid. There's that. Yo, that shit's leaking.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I called it. Oh, I did.
Yo, the whole shit leaked, bro. Holy shit.
So now
So this is what I was saying, that it was leaking. But luckily, it's not the diff.
it's the pan.
It's the actual pan. I'm not sure why or how.
Best thing to do is probably use cat litter to get all the stains away and not leave any like residue on the floor.
As every YouTuber does. Cat litter saves everything. When you have oil spills. Guess you guys don't gotta wait till next time for what's in that box. Hey, B. You wanna see this? Fuck this car. Fuck this car. I can't because it's freaking dark and everything else is dark. Oh, damn, that thing's shooting. When she sends you that 2 a.m., what are you doing text?
When she says I'm home alone.
All right, time to chill.
What are you doing now, you boosted ape?
Right now,
I know what he's doing.
we're gonna remove the oil filter.
Oh, I thought you were just putting that in so if you spill.
Yeah.
This would be the same.
Got him! This is clean.
Yeah.
At least you're trying to be safe.
Alright, so we're trying to open the oil filter. For some reason, the oil filter's on the top, not on the bottom, like,
Like a regular ass car.
yeah.
What car?
German engineering.
Yeah. Oh.
Let's see that oil filter. Many cranks later.
You know what's the next mod that Johnny needs to do to this?
Ooh, look at that oil filter.
He had it.
Normally, like this should come out too.
Clean it out, yeah. Makes sense. Ooh. The cool thing about it, he took out the cover. I didn't even notice until now. Here's the blowout valve. You got the turbo right there. You know, I already showed you that. The little baby turbo. Spark plugs right there. Yeah, we should unclip them and just let them drive. Probably can't. But, yep, dang, look how clean the engine is. Look at that fluorescent green. I don't even know why I have this black light on it. Why did they give you this?
It's free, so. Oh yeah, so that way, like, you can actually see where the leak's at.
Huh? All right, we're finally putting the oil in, and after that, we're done for the day.
All right, guys, we just finished doing the oil change and the what was it again?
Heldex.
The
Diff oil, basically.
The diff oil.
Basically changing the diff oil. Pretty much done with.
But yeah, so catch us on the next video, and you already know.
Tell your girl to like, comment, and subscribe.